Model, 63-plate Renault Trafic VIVARO SL27dCi 115 noisy gearbox. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 211,099. MOT, the 15th of November 2024. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The engine is fantastic. Grin gearbox is noisy in most gears, so will need repairing or replacing still drives. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.